Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're diving into a quick and easy way to send emojis using shortcuts on the WhatsApp app for PC. This new update makes adding emojis to your chats faster and more efficient. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. If you haven't already launched it, click on the WhatsApp icon to get started. Next, navigate to the chat where you want to send an emoji. Simply select the conversation from your list of chats. Now here's where the magic happens. In the message bar at the bottom of your screen, type a colon followed by the name of the emoji you'd like to use. For example, if you want to send a cat emoji, type :cat. As you type, a list of matching emojis will appear. From the list of suggestions, choose the emoji you want by clicking on it or using your keyboard's arrow keys to highlight it. Once selected, press Enter or click Send to deliver the emoji in your message. And that's it. You've just learned how to use shortcuts to quickly send emojis on WhatsApp for PC. This feature is not only convenient, but also saves time, especially when you're multitasking. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this tip. Happy chatting!